Guys, second of Ramadan, check the people. See. Wait. Yan o. Second time ng Ramadan yan guys. Pero tingnan nyo kung gaano karami yung tao. Second floor pa lang to guys. Anong oras pa lang. Lalo na mamaya yan. Sobrang kapal ng tao yan guys. Tingnan mo. Tingnan nyo po. Yes. Hello guys. Yan. Customer ko. You're handsome man. Go, rap pa, alatol. Uy, rap pa, alatol. Alatol, rap pa. Jolit kayo. Guys, Ramadan Karim.